Sweet enough. Buy one, get two, get three, get 400. People are gonna look at me and it video. Can't manage. Me expect today. Girl, it's Zazy. Hi y'all. I think it might be too windy. Babe, clear the window. So it's content day, y'all. So we're heading on the road to shoot a bunch of content for brands. Why not window? Because must be better now. So I think I have about 7 videos to make today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make all of them, but I'm gonna try to make as much as possible. That's one for a towel company. I've been pushing back that collab for the longest while, and I have to get it out of the way like now. So we're heading to Bay Beach, guys. I said this in that one. I'm a video them. I will never end up doing it. So actually, I could get that content done today. So we're heading to Bay Beach right now as we speak. To get that out of the way, and then Azalea got a collab with a kids app, like an educational app. So I'm also gonna get that video out of the way today. And then for the Temu videos, I don't really have I have until the end of the month to make those, but I have 10 videos in total to make for Temu, so I kind of want to spread them out. So if I can get a lot of them out of the way today, that would be great, because I'm going back to work tomorrow, because I'm currently on sick leave. If you didn't watch my previous video, I actually did like a little surgery on my toe. I had an ingrown nail, and I had to do like a minor surgery to have it removed. So I'm currently on sick leave. So I think that's it. I did not do an intro. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Yannick. It's who, babe? Yannick. The school bus that just dropped off some kids right there, like over here, so the bus stop there, so I don't know if you can see, but it there out there, so see here. Yes, trot. That's so nice. Like me like that, and I heard that the bus fare is pretty affordable, so that's really good. Trot. Well, there a chat. I missed the turn to go over Bay Beach. No, because of one way, we have to go drive back the way around, so way around through here, so and go back down to go down to Bay Beach. All because she standing there and chat all the people in the school bus them, eh? I chat about the school bus them. And the day I missed the turn. Now look at us. And I be one way there, so be one way. Sweet enough. Buy one, get two, get three, get 400, 500, get 600. We don't make it sweet, we don't make it spicy. We don't make it get a wifey. One get up, two get up, taste and buy, buy and taste. Why? We're at Bay Beach. So them there with Zazy. We have 1 million bag and pan. This have the total them in the night we're going to use to make the content.
So, me is a boy where? Nah, like that. I want to talk to woman, woman I can't talk.
Hello.
Yeah, one on the window them, yeah?
Thank you. I don't know anywhere where less persons there, so we have space to actually make content. Guys, it's $400 per person. So 800 total. Finally the spot person's there, but not a lot. And this one like you're gonna go fall, Lord God. So I go see right here, so Lord God, me nervous, Jack, me nervous. People are gonna look at me and the video. Oh God. Oy. Such a beautiful beach though, guys. Cute little girl. It's Zazy. You're at the beach, mama. Chat, baby, sweat to carry look a car seat on the back. Could it? Boss, a boss sweat. We can't see, so you struggle, man.
Let's go fast more.
What's it doing? Guys, look fancy only for the people in beach. Look how far the lady gone. We're here still filming, guys. I'm stressed out. This has stressed me. I'm not gonna chat. That stressed me. It's so exhausting if I get all the clips them.
Mama, bird. Look, mama, bird.
Listen, guys. Whenever you miss me, I do the morning video again. Jesus Christ. Me the energy down, and this is the first video of the day. Me have about 6 more videos to make. I can't manage. Me I sweat, put in, living if you know I see my face. Guys, I live our best life. On the other hand. Hey, I'm in the business now. So we finally finished the first video now, guys. So I go wash off now. Wash off his son, and then I go to the doctor's office. I need to call them and find out if I can come pick up and fit to work, because I need that in order to return to work, because I used all my 10 sick days already for the year. So I'm gonna do that now. And me I starve. Me not starve, me thirsty. I need something cold to drink, so I gotta do that now. Young energy negative 0.00. People, the sun batter me. No sir, never again. You can't manage the sun. So I just called the doctor, and he said that I can come pick up the fit for work. So we're leaving Bay Beach now, and we're gonna go. What you look for your wallet? No. Chicken on your back. We're gonna go yes guys. I'm gonna pick up the fit to work. And if someone not tell me no lie, if somebody feel bubbly and energy, I'm full of energy earlier, I would say like I make similar video. Look at me now. I don't know what I'm gonna do. If I'm gonna make more video today, I honestly just need some food. Probably after I eat something, but we know if we can make no more. So babe, got the fit to work for me, guys. Yeah, so fun. Oh my god, we need some food. I'm gonna pick up full of the tank. And then tomorrow, guys, so tomorrow I return to work, but I'm gonna go to Clarendon tomorrow after work, because we're going to the airport Wednesday to pick up my stepdad from the airport. Obviously, I'm gonna pick up my stepdad from the airport Wednesday. So we're going to Clarendon from Tuesday evening after work. I'm off on Wednesday. Yeah. As I'm eating a box food, it low-key slap. You can go on.
The next day.
Hi guys, good evening. We're going to Caribbean. I'm gonna go see my mom and my sister and my brothers. And tomorrow I'm gonna see my stepdad. So I'm super excited because I miss them so much. So we're currently in St. Anthony. Babe stopped to get some food, and then we're gonna go by the house. Yeah, we need to go get some clothes. Come on, clothes are not gonna go grab something to wear tomorrow. Like literal grab because it's already late. I'm up on them road body. So I'm gonna like really dip on the road too late. And we always end up at go there late for some reason. So I need to go grab some stuff very quickly up at the house and then head back on the road. Guys, see there. Babe get tired. I'm gonna eat tired now. But him say nothing else already there ready. So I'm gonna eat that little piece here right there, so with the fries. Still if it slap. I need one tripod in the car because sometimes we don't want to vlog look more in the car, so you know, like something to hold it up or something, but it's so inconvenient to just hold the phone in my hand or two. So my fries and fried a bit too much. I go pay now, guys.
The next day.
You lead me to paradise.
So we arrived at the airport a bit early, so we're waiting on my stepdad to give us a call to let us know that he landed. So we're just here on the side of the road chilling.
Oh yeah, baby. It was a fight at you. And when we're making love, your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it.
So guys, I've had these containers for a while now. If you guys remember the huge haul that I did a couple months ago, when we just moved into our apartment, I said that I was gonna use these to like store stuff in, and I've never gotten to it. So I washed them the other day and I left them out to dry so that I can actually add in what I'm gonna put in it. So I was thinking for this one I would add Milo, for this one I would add Lasco, and for this one I would add sugar, for this one rice, this one flour. So that's what I think I'm gonna store in these. I am planning on ordering some more because you know there's a lot of more stuff that needs to go in containers. So like my pastas, and other stuff that are in the house. So but this is what I'm starting with. The other day I grabbed this basmati rice in the supermarket because I could not find the great basmati one. I've never had this one before. So if you guys have, let me know in the comments if this is a good brand for basmati rice. Just I realized my last to finish, so I won't be. I'm just gonna add a little in the container for now. But just I realized I'm never buy no Lasco. And flour. I have flour in this, and I have another cup of flour here. Yeah. So let's get into it, you guys. Starting with my Milo. This is the Milo, you guys. So cute. Perfect. This is the overview, y'all. So on this side I've got like my seasoning, so like chicken seasoning, curry, black pepper, baking powder, baking soda around the back, nutmeg, cinnamon around the back. Let me see, cinnamon, and then all-purpose in this, but I can't find the all-purpose label, so I put allspice. And so seasonings are around the back of those. And then over here I have my rice, my flour, my Milo, my sugar, and my lasco, you guys. So this is like the cutesy organized cupboard. The other one just have like the remaining spices like that came in the actual packaging and so on. I like the tin stuff. So over there, so is the more messy one. This is a cute aesthetic one, you know. Yeah, come back to the light. I'm sure that I use no. Yeah, yes, you guys. So overview, I'm obsessed. I'm gonna get some more containers so that I can use them around the back, around there. Yeah, so tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section. Would you do this to your stuff in your apartment? And I am just gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for the support. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I post. Hi, Zazy. Why do you have a rock? And of course, follow me on all my socials at Yannick_Miller. And bye for now.